No, so I'm pretty sure it's coming back. No, it's always been like this, but they did change a couple things. I'm pretty sure it's yeah, yeah. There's always been these islands. Nope. Okay. Anyway, I'm pretty sure it's coming back within 1 to 3 weeks. Yeah, that's a complete guess. It's probably not going to come out then, but that's my hope. That's what that's when I'm hoping it to come back. Whatever you do, just don't go to this island. Just don't go to this island. Just don't go to that island. No, 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 don't go to this island. Don't go to this island. This island is, not Nikkei 30 approved. This island is not Nikkei 30 approved. Oh, this, yeah. You don't remember? We were both on the Shippy Whippy when these islands were out. It was like a couple months ago. Oh, I thought you were. I guess I was the only one. Bathe all of you. Chim chase. Chim chase is so much fun. You just shoot people. You just shoot people. That was Chimpy Chasey. That was Chimpy Chasey. You just shoot people. Alright, swim to the other island. Yeah, swimming. Yeah. And then I'm pretty sure there's a gravestone somewhere back here. Yeah, right here. Gorilla realism. Rip gorilla realism again. Me neither. Where are you? What? Why am I floating? Oh, I'm on the black hole. Interesting. Yeah, I'm coming to the island you're at. Oh, I love water running in this game. It's so much faster. What is this? There's a white cube here. Oh, it's a lantern. Where's the stink butt? There he is. Huggies! Just kicks you down to the bottom of the ocean. Oh, I hit you. Ow, I'm bumping into you. I'm just trying to swim to the rope. Kenny! Come on. Yeah, this is a short vid, like 2 minutes. And also you can waste your life savings and money on this. Alright, do you want to join me and go swim off of the map? Okay, I will that. Goodbye, everybody! I'm swimming off into the ocean.